Today, we'll be making Hong Kong style pineapple buns. For this recipe, we'll need to make a Japanese bread starter called Tangzhong. If you've never made this before, mix bread flour and water over high heat until it thickens like this. Then, let it cool completely before using, and then we'll measure out 120 grams for this recipe. We'll start with our bun, and all the measurements will be down below. Today I'll be using a bread machine, but you can use a stand mixer. Add in 125 ml of milk, a whisked egg, 30 grams of melted butter, 120 grams of our made Tangzhong, 70 grams of sugar, 4 grams of salt, 10 grams of milk powder, 350 grams of bread flour, and 6 grams of yeast. Now in your bread machine, let it knead for 15 minutes or 20 minutes in a stand mixer. Then let your dough rest for 1 hour. In the meantime, we'll work on our topping. In a bowl, grab some cake flour and mix in your icing sugar. Then add milk powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Give it a good mix. Now add in the egg and the melted coconut oil or butter, and then mix it all together to combine. Once you get a paste like this, wrap it and form it into a log and place it in the fridge until your dough is ready. Now for the assembly. After an hour, your dough should have risen. Take it out and place it onto a floured work surface. Roll out your dough and divide it into 12 pieces. Take each piece and form it into a ball. Make sure to cover the buns and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Now take your topping out of the fridge and divide it into 12 pieces. You want to flatten it out so that you can place it onto each bun. For our final touches, brush a layer of egg wash to give it a golden look. Bake the pineapple buns at 350 for about 17 minutes, and there you have it, delicious Hong Kong style pineapple buns. Enjoy!